Hi, my name's John Bosworth. I'm a licensed mental health counselor in private practice in St. Pete, Florida. I'd like to speak a little bit about distance learning programs in psychology. Since psychology is really a hands-on, face-to-face interaction with most of the people that we're dealing with, distance learning programs may be very good for, and depending on the university and the program, very good for the clinical side or more of the research or theory side of psychology. Distance learning programs, the advantages of distance learning programs are that people maybe in a rural setting that are interested in psychology may get better access to educational methods or modes of distance learning. And it can also be maybe a more efficient way to go about schooling or education, whereas if there's a program that you're really interested in, but for financial or for economic or family reasons or whatever, you can't get to the actual school or the university or even a region in the country where that program is taught, then distance learning can be very beneficial. On the other side, clinical psychology basically emphasizes interaction between people. So the internship requirements and some of the face-to-face supervision hours where a supervisor is going to want to see how much contact you've had with a patient or with a person or patient is probably not going to be too beneficial from a distance learning program. So if we really want to kind of evaluate a distance learning program, it can be very beneficial for learning theory, research, maybe research methods, any kind of curriculum-based learning that is in any of the secondary, or higher level education centers. But on the clinical side, distance learning is probably not going to be too efficient because it's going to be kind of tough to get in front of people or to see people and actually get some supervision done from a distance perspective. Maybe there are some things, and maybe they're working on some things as far as internet and being able to do some videotaped or video type counseling sessions that may actually be more beneficial in a distance learning environment also. My name's John Bosworth, and we've been discussing a little bit about distance learning programs in psychology.